Well, David, thanks so much for joining. One last question before we wrap up here. You've given a lot of great advice and insights already. For those listening that want to try to get some of those similar results to what you've gotten, what's your advice as like next steps for them to take?
So what we did is that we actually gone from a monolith to microservices. So there's a first advice is that look at the Mach 3. One advice I said is that the wrong path is that people immediately look for a composable e-commerce platform. I say not to do that. Wrap your stuff into commerce services and then outsource the stuff that are meaningful, right? So like for example, it doesn't make sense to build your own search. Like look at a partner like Algolia. We also outsource some of our front end, some of our recommendation. We use Algolia and a mixture of other providers, but we did it in more of a service-oriented architecture, so we can easily A/B test like our own code versus Algolia's or other provider, which one's the best, and then be very data-driven in the results.
That's great.